Alright, let's settle a debate that's been bugging scientists for decades. Are viruses actually alive? At first glance, viruses totally look like living creatures. They can make you sick, they spread from person to person, and they even evolve. Sounds pretty alive, right? But here's the catch. Viruses are missing some of the key things that most living things have. For starters, they can't make energy on their own, and they can't reproduce without hijacking another cell. Basically, viruses are like tiny USB drives. They carry instructions, but they need your computer to do anything useful. When a virus finds a living cell, it jumps in and takes over, essentially turning that cell into a factory to make more viruses. On their own, though, viruses are just inert. No eating, no breathing, no growing. So are viruses alive? Some scientists call them organisms at the edge of life. They're not fully alive, but they're not just chemicals either. They're somewhere in between, a kind of biological twilight zone. But here's the wild part. Even though they're not technically alive, viruses can evolve and adapt. That's why new strains appear, and why fighting viruses is such a challenge. So next time someone asks if viruses are alive, you can say, well, it depends who you ask. They need living things to do their dirty work, but left alone, they're just a bundle of genetic code waiting for their big break. Pretty mysterious, right? Science is full of questions like this, and that's what keeps it exciting. If you enjoyed this brain bender, hit that like button and let me know what other science mysteries you want solved.